Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's brand analytics for advertising insights. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we are diving into how you can use Amazon's brand analytics to get valuable insights for your advertising. To start, log into your Seller Central account. Click on the burger icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, find the Brands section and select Brand Analytics. Once you're in Brand Analytics, you'll see a range of tools and reports that can help you understand your performance and refine your advertising strategies. Here's how to make the most of it. First, check out the Search Terms report. This gives you a detailed look at what search terms customers are using to find products like yours. By analyzing this data, you can adjust your keywords and bids to better target the terms that drive sales. Next, use the market basket analysis to see what other products are frequently bought alongside yours. This can help you identify cross-selling opportunities and refine your product listings to increase your average order value. Don't forget to look at the demographics report. It provides insights into the age, gender, and income of your customers. This information can be crucial for tailoring your ads to better resonate with your target audience. Finally, keep an eye on the sales performance metrics. These will help you track the impact of your advertising efforts and understand which campaigns are driving the most revenue. By regularly reviewing these reports and adjusting your strategies based on the insights, you can continuously improve your advertising performance and drive better results. If you need any help navigating brand analytics or interpreting the data, just let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.